Muthaki Fredrick Kanoute akoretwo ari na kimera gya gwitirwo hindi uthaki wake wa gabira akigariura kuuma gitaru-ini kimwe nginyagia kiria kingi kumana tu na kiheo gya guthaka gabira.
I've been lucky enough to play 5 years in England and 7 years in Spain. And I think these two are the best leagues in the world, and it's been really like enriching experience for me. So now what I try to do is just try to pass on some of my experience and skills to the next generations.
Kianjiriria giake ni thiini wa Liga 1 bururi-ini wa Faraja nginyagia rigi nene ya Ngeretha na muthia kirabu-ini gia Seviila rigi nene ya Spain iria yari na uteithio munene makiria uturo-ini wake.
Gol de Kanoute, tercer tanto del Seviila.
Utungata wake kirabu-ini gia Seviila ni wahotithirie kirabu giki kuhoota na gikombe kia UEFA Champions maita meri kirumaniririo mwaka-ini wa 2006 na 2007 regia uhotani hitaitano-ini ingi.
It feels good, and the most important thing that it's the success as a team we had, and how the people remember me in Seviila. It's way beyond only the goals. It's because I mean I've tried to give my best every time I was on the pitch, and every time I go there they receive me in a really nice manner. So this is the best present they can give me.
Na hihi ni undu uriku agitira hindi uthaki wake wa gabira?
I would say also a hat trick I scored against Madrid in the Spanish Super Cup. It was a great experience because to score like in the Bernabeu 3 goals against Casillas, against that great team of Real Madrid, was also a fantastic experience for me.
Thegea uhotani munene agithakira irabu itiganite, timu ya bururi wa Mali na iria athakagira ndihotire kuhotana ngucanio cia gitaru kia Africa AFCON.
I think that stayed a little bit blocked for me, so that's why also today I'm pretty much involved also in Malian football and help the next generation, and hopefully they can win Africa Cup of Nations one day.
Akirongoreria unyitaniri wake na ligi ya Laliga danaga ciugo cingiguna na guteithiriria hari ukuria wa mubira makiria gitaru-ini giki kia Africa.
We always have to start with the youth, try to develop like academies in Africa to give opportunities to these kids with a good, not only the football environment, the education is really important. I think there are priorities in Africa, and we really need to improve everything.
Girifotera Kameme TV, jitago mwihaki wa dogo.